Hey, have you heard that Airbnbs are a great way to make money in the real estate business? Well, I'm going to tell you 3 things that you need to know about and be cautious of when jumping into a deal. Matt Teifke, broker, partner, TRE here in Austin, Texas. Today I want to talk about how you can make additional money on real estate using Airbnb or buying a property as an Airbnb investment property. So I've owned several Airbnb properties over the years here in Austin, Texas, MSA, some in Round Rock, some in East Austin, and I want to talk about the benefits and some of the ways to look at owning Airbnb properties. Number 1, before you ever buy an Airbnb property, in my opinion, make sure that it will be a good rental even if it was not an Airbnb. As things can change with Corona, maybe some Airbnbs aren't as popular. Others are, ones with pools right now, but you always want to have a strategy that will work outside of Airbnb. And that could be that you just got enough equity and you're selling the property. Number 2, you can always figure out ways to make additional income on existing properties that you have. We have an RV that we put in our backyard. We're charging $45 a night for Airbnb. You could rent out rooms individually, charge $500, whatever that may be. We're blessed to be in a great market here in Austin, Texas. This works in other markets as well. I've stayed in people's rooms as an Airbnb. It can be a great strategy to supplement the income. It could probably pay your taxes and your insurance for the year if you do it right. Number 3, when you are considering buying a property with Airbnb as a strategy, it's my opinion that you want to make sure that there's some kind of amenity that would be attractive to potential renters. So it could be a pool, could be a nice hangout area, a nice deck. Other properties can work as well, but the price will be a little bit lower, and times like right now, they will be less desirable. So Airbnbs are going crazy in the Austin market with anyone that has a swimming pool. They're rented out. People want to go stay at properties for a month or 2 or 3 months while they're quarantined, and you can barely find an Airbnb property with a pool in this market right now. I'm a big believer in finding ways to add additional income to your properties to help offset expenses or to help cover the taxes. If you find this valuable, please reach out. Please comment below, like our channel, subscribe. We're always here to be a resource.